So I love cooking, and I got this as a present. Now I'm really excited about using it, but first I wanted to film the opening of it. One of the reasons being that it's extremely fragile, it's glass, and it has been traveling with Royal Mail and other companies coming from abroad, and I just want to make sure that everything is in order, and if something goes wrong, I have something to prove. Okay, this is the box itself. I'm going to open it carefully. This is by no means cheap, and I should really take care of it. But first of all, let me see what I have in the box. Bunch of packaging, protecting paper, obviously a order invoice, and receipt. Looks like it has come from Italy. Put these aside. Carefully remove the bubble wrap and remove the box. So it sounds like it is in one piece. We check the So it sounds like it is in one piece. As you can see, it's a KnIndustrie, and it's a see-through pot. And it's removing the packaging. It's nicely protected inside. You can see exactly what I mean. Like I said, not cheap at all, and it's made in Italy, good for boiling, and obviously when I do my videos and all that, it's going to have a good point of view of this of the cooking process. Metal handles protected by little rubber here on each side, and basically I will need first to get a diffuser for it, so I'm not gonna put it directly on the flame, but that's going to follow.